Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Class 6 Chapter 8 Decimals Exercise 8.1 Question number 7. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says that between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? So here this question is related to number line. As you can see over here, I have made a number line and here we are given some decimals. And what we have to do is that we have to see that between these, in this number line, where our decimal comes. We have to locate that decimal, and we also have to see that if we have found the two whole numbers, and for example this is 0 point, so we have to see that 0.8 is nearer to which of our whole numbers, one whole number in the two whole numbers. So let's get started. So let's get started with the A part, which is 0.8. So friends, here you can see we are having 0 over here. If you locate this 0.8, it will come from 0 to 1 over here somewhere. Alright, so that is why the two whole numbers that we have got from here, 0 and 1. Simple. Over here you can see 0.8. After 0, there is 8 in the 10th place. That means it is not exactly 0, but it is more than whole number 0. So you can say that 0.8 is greater than the whole number 0. But is this 0.8 making one whole? No, it is not making one whole. So for that we will put this like this. That means 0.8 is smaller than the whole numbers 1. So the first step is done to look for the two whole numbers. Now the second step is to locate them in the number line. So we need to draw a different number line, not this one. We are going to draw the number line from 0 to 1. So let's see. So like this we draw a line, alright, and we are going to divide it into 10 equal parts. Now friends, we are going to fill numbers in them. So first we will start from 0. Over here you can see 0 is the first whole number which is coming. So we will write 0 here, and from 0 we will start writing decimals. So after 0.0 it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. So that's what we will write here. So let's start writing 0.19, and after 0.9 you are not going to write 0.10. We will write the second whole number here, which is 1. Alright. So this is how we will fill the number line. Now friends, you have to locate your 0.8 over here. So 0.8 is here, and now you can simply see the distance which is needed. Now you can simply identify that to which whole number is 0.8 nearer. So it is 1. So the answer of this part is that our decimal 0.8 lies between the whole number 0 and 1, and it is nearer to the whole number 1. So friends, now let's move on to the B part. So the B part is 5.1. Alright. So you can easily think from this that this 5.1 must lie between 5 and 6. So you can see, and over here this is 5.1. After the decimal point in the 10th place we are having 1. So that means it is not exactly 5 wholes. So that means it is greater than 5 wholes, and it is even not making 6 whole. So that means it is smaller than 6 whole. So these are the two whole numbers here, 5 and 6. Alright. Now the second step is to draw the number line and locate them. So let's start drawing the number line, and again we will divide this into 10 equal parts. Now let's start filling them. So we will start from 5 and end at 6 wholes. So let's start. After 5 it will be 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, and then it is 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, and in the last we will put 6. So this is how we fill the number line. Now look at this 5.1. So it is over here, and simply you can see it is nearer to 5 holes, because if you see it is a long distance to 6. So that means the answer of this part will be that our decimal 5.1 lies between the whole numbers 5 and 6, and it is nearer to the whole number 5. Now friends, let's see the C part. So the C part is 2.6. So we need to find the two whole numbers that 2.6 lies in. So definitely it will lie between 2 and 3. Over here you can see we are having 2. So 2 and 3 are the two whole numbers. And after 2 in the tens place we are even having 6. So that means 2.6 is not exactly 2 holes. It is greater than 2 holes. So we will put this mark and like this. So that means 2.6 is greater than 2 holes, and it is even not making 3 holes. So we will put like this and write 3 here. So that means 2.6 is smaller than 3 holes. Now let's make the number line, and now we will start filling numbers in them. So we will start from 2 over here you can see, and we will end at 3. So let's start. So this is complete. Now look at 2.6. So it is here. So you can see the distance which is needed to go. So obviously it is nearer to 3 over here you can see. And if we will start from 2 to 2.6, there is much distance than 2.6 to 3 holes. So that means the answer of this part is that our decimal 2.6 lies between the whole numbers 2 and 3, and it is nearer to the whole number 3. Now friends, let's see the D part. So the D part is 6.4. So what we have to do over here you can see 6.4 lies between whole numbers 6 and 7, and this 6 is here, and after the decimal point in the tens place we are having 4. So that means this 6.4 is greater than the whole number 6, but it is even not making 7 holes. So that means it is smaller than 7 holes. Now let's do the second step, which is to draw the number line. So let's start dividing this into 10 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, so this is divided into 10 equal parts. Now let's start filling numbers. So we will start from 6 and end at 7. So this becomes 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9 and this 7 holes. So this is filled. Now look for your whole number, this decimal 6.4. So it is over here. So you can easily see the distance that is needed. Over here you can see there is much less distance from 6 to 6.4. The answer of the D part, which is 6.4, is that our decimal 6.4 lies between the whole number 6 and 7, and it is nearer to the whole number 6. So friends, the next part is the E part, which is 9.1. Alright, so by seeing this you can easily see that this 9.1 lies between the whole numbers 9 and 10. Alright, you can also see that in this 9.1, this after the decimal point in the tens place is 1. So that means this 9.1 is greater than the whole number 9, but it is also not making 10 as the whole number. So that means it is smaller than the whole number 10. So that was to find the whole numbers. Now let's see that our decimal 9.1 is nearer to which of the whole numbers. So for that we need to draw a number line, and now let's divide this into 10 equal parts. So let's start. 6, 7, 8, 9, and I will extend this little bit. So this goes the 10th part, and that means that this is divided into 10 equal parts. So now let's start filling, and now you are well versed with the number line of decimals. So let's start writing. So this becomes 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5, 9.6, 9.7, 9.8 and 9.9, and in the last we will write 10. Alright. So this is the number line. Now look for this decimal 9.1. So in the beginning only we will find it, and you can easily see that there is a lot of distance from 9.1 to 10 whole, and there is no decimal number from 9 to 9.1. So the answer of the E part is that our decimal 9.1 lies between the whole numbers 9 and 10, and it is nearer to the whole number 9. Now friends, let's see the F part. So this is the F part, which is 4.9. Alright. So now over here you can see 4.9. 4 is here, so that means this will be lying around 4 and 5 like this. So the two whole numbers that we have are 4 and 5. But friends, as always, 4 point, after point we are even having 9. So that means this 4.9 is greater than 4 wholes, but it is not making 5 wholes. So that means it is smaller than 5 wholes. So the first step is completed. Now let's move on to the second step, which is to draw the number line. So let's divide this into 10 equal parts. So let's start. This is divided into 10 equal parts. So now let's start filling this. So we will be starting from 4. So this becomes 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 0.5, 0.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and in the last over here we will write 5. So this is complete. Now look for the decimal 4.9 here. So this is over here, and now even you can easily see that 4.9 is nearer to which of the whole numbers? Yes, it is nearer to 5. So the answer of this question will be that our decimal 4.9 lies between the whole numbers 4 and 5, and it is nearer to the whole number 5. Friends, this is all for today. Hope you like it, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to wear a mask and maintain social distancing. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.